caught up with Harish Khanna, the lead actor of In Retreat. This is the first feature film directed by Mesam Ali, an alumnus of the Film and Television Institute of India. Do you know that this film is associated with a first at the Cannes Film Festival? So, what is that? Watch this conversation to know more. Harish Khanna, the lead actor of Mesam Ali's In Retreat, that premiered in the Asset Sidebar of the Cannes Film Festival, is here with us. Such a pleasure to have you. How does it feel to be part of the first film from India that was screened in this particular Asset Sidebar?
It's great. It's great. I think it's a great honor for us and definitely for India also. And it's a great moment because it's the first film. When this sidebar section has started, the assist section, it's the first Indian movie which is representing India at Cannes. So it's a great moment. Yeah.
How has the feedback been to your performance and to the film as a whole?
It's great. Yeah, we are getting some very good reviews. Like yesterday, I was reading some review and it gave us around 4.5. And there are many people who are considering Mesam as a great filmmaker, and they are relating him to some great masters in cinema, which is a good feeling. And means we are on cloud nine and enjoying it. Yeah.
You have a huge body of work. I was seeing that your first movie was 1995, Memories of Fear. You've already done 40 movies and now In Retreat has happened. How was your experience doing this film? Did you strongly identify with the character? Did you get into the skin of the role? Because it seemed from the trailer that you indeed have.
Yeah, but it's quite relatable because I have lived like when I left my home, I was like 21 years old, and it's almost in 1990 I left my home, and in between I go, and so somewhere I got disconnected with my relatives and all this. And whenever I go there for any function, they have a lot of queries which I feel, do I have to answer this? So it's like there's a kind of some force thing they want to push you, okay, say, but this man wants to be free. So somewhere, yeah, there's thing that I relate to this character, his inner world, the conflict between his external world and inner world. So I think there are many people like this, and they still exist in this world. Like when I read this script, I asked Mesam, just tell me, I'm not seeing any conflict with the outside world, and what should I do? Means later. Then Mesam said, sir, इस तरह के लोग भी तो होते हैं ना. I said, yes, होते हैं. There I find there is something which he wants to say very deeply through his story. And gradually we realize that, yeah, this person has an inner conflict, a very strong inner conflict, whether he belongs to this place or not. And he wants to be roaming around, or he wants to be a traveler, he wants to be a venturer and meeting different people. I want to see a different world.
Were you intrigued sometimes with the treatment of Mesam, of the place, particularly Ladakh, because your family, I understand, is in Jammu, you stay in Mumbai. You would have thought of Ladakh in a very different way, like most of us do. Especially, somebody like me who would go as a tourist would have a different perception of Ladakh. But here it's a totally different perception of Ladakh. So, were you intrigued by his treatment?
Yes, in the sense, I've been to Ladakh many a times before. I have shot there and I've done a workshop, theatre workshop over there. So I've been lucky that by the age of 28, 30, I had traveled almost all over India. So that way I'm lucky. But yes, I have never seen a Ladakh like this, which Mesam has shown in his story at night. Like there is one line in the film ke Nirdosh, innocent, yeah, और सेंटिमेंटल है ना. बाहर से दुनिया बहुत अच्छी लगती है, जैसे ही आप अंदर जाते हो कुछ और दिखती है. This is what you will see in his cinema, the kind of world he has shown through his protagonist, where you meet different people with different mind setup, different culture. Means it's Ladakh, but they have different style of living. Everyone has their own thoughts. Everyone has their own process. So I will not say it's a beautiful world, but somewhere the world which we have not seen. Because whenever we go into a tourist place, we see the outer beauty, but he takes you really into inside of Ladakh's culture.
Thank you, Harishji, for speaking to us on DD India. So it's a very different interpretation of Ladakh as a whole, and it seems that Mesam Ali's In Retreat is then a must-watch. And of course, it has made history in a sense by being the first film from India to be screened in the Asset Sidebar section of the Cannes Film Festival. With India's